My name is Sojar Emmanuel Kasuza, one of the students of our secondary school. Now I've come to solve this question number 67. The question is all about matrix. And now they have asked us to solve the simultaneous equation for this question A, number 67. He said find the inverse of a matrix, this matrix, and hence solve the simultaneous equation. The simultaneous equation is here. So now we are going to start by getting the inverse of this matrix. So we are going to say inverse of 5, 2, 0, 2 is got by getting the determinant of that inverse. This is 2, this is 5 times 2 minus 2 times 0, and we multiply it by the adjoints of the matrix given. To get the adjoints of the matrix given, just change the position of this major diagonal, and when you're changing the position of the major diagonal, the minor diagonal, they will change their sign. Now we are going to say this 2 is going to come here, is 2, here is 5, and here is going to be negative 0, here is going to be 2. Now you proceed and say 1 over this one. When you multiply 5 by 2, it's going to be 10 minus 2 times 0 is going to be 6 times the adjunct 2. Yes, here is negative. It's supposed to be negative, and here is going to be negative 0, 5. And now you go ahead and say 1 out of when you subtract 6 from 10, it's going to be 4. And here you multiply by the adjunct 2, negative 2, negative 0, 5. Now this is negative. This 1 over 4 is going to multiply with all what is inside the bracket here. So now it's going to be 1 over 4 multiplied by 2. That is going to be 2 over 4, which is the same as half. And you're going to see and say this 1 over 4, when you multiply it by negative 2, it's going to be negative 2 out of 4, and also the same as negative 1 out of 2. And now here, you go ahead and say 1 over 4, when you multiply it by negative 0, it's going to be negative 0 out of 4. And this one, 1 over 4, again you multiply by 5, it's going to be 5 over 4. This is negative 1. Yes, it's negative 1. So this one is our inverse. So now we are going to proceed and solve this simultaneous equation using the inverse that we have got. Now we are going to say first, we are first going to get, we are going to form
Someone is calling. Someone is calling.
Okay, now we are going to proceed by forming our matrix equation here, and we get the solution. Now we are going to say 5, 2, 0, 2. This is our x, y, which is equal to 7, 2. So here is our matrix. So this one, we are going to pre-multiply it by the inverse, which we have got it here. So we are going to say negative 1 over 2. Yes, No, here is 1. Yes, negative 1 over 2. Here is negative 3 over 4. Over 4. Here is 5. 5 over 4. We say we are going to pre-multiply both sides by the inverse which we have got. Here is 5, 2, 3, 2. Then here is x, y, which is equal to pre-multiply. That means we are going to multiply both sides by the inverse. Here is 1 over 2. Here is negative 1 over 2. Here is negative 0 over 4. Here is 5 over